Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and enable the gallery view on your Zoom. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So normally this is the view that is going to be in Zoom when you open it. And I think this is called the spotlight view. And what this does is whenever someone is talking, it's simply going to make them the main person or on the only person that's going to be seen on the screen, whether they have their video on or not. So what you need to do in order to go ahead and make gallery view and view every single participant is simply go ahead and click on this view tab on the top right of your meeting, and now just click on gallery. And now what this is going to do is it's going to simply go ahead and show you all the list of people. As you know, I'm only the person in this meeting right here, so it's not going to go ahead and turn into a gallery view, or even if it is turning, it's just going to show myself because there's no one else. But when it is in the gallery view, it's simply going to go ahead and have a lot of people shown on the screen. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.